When you are feeling angry or frustrated, when the emotions are strong, we can go into a breath and moving our hands along with us. So we'll start by moving your hands underneath your belly button, relaxing your fingers, and then on your inhale through the nose, let your hands move upward towards your forehead. At the end of your inhale, press your palms downward, push the belly in, exhaling out through the nose or your mouth. Again, every time you inhale, your hands are moving upward. On your exhales, press downward towards your belly button once again. Then flipping your palms up, inhale, reaching up. And exhale, pressing down. Now, as you continue breathing here, your hands might start to move slower, and that's what we'd like to happen. Once your breaths are coming longer, it allows your body to come back in a more relaxed state and allowing your emotions also to feel more regulated. So keep your fingers relaxed. And I'll go for one more breath here. And we exhale, pressing down. Once you are done, you can just place your palms back onto your hands and go back to regular breath.